What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about upgrading our Wazuh agent. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about upgrading our Wazuh agents. On the last video, we upgraded our Wazuh server, and we left off here. Bam, yes. I upgraded to version 4.19. And as you can see, the agent is still on version 4.9. We need to update that. And it's super simple. So I am going to upgrade my KMS server. And on the actions column, we're going to click on the three little dots. And we're going to click on upgrade. You're going to get this. We're going to click on upgrade. And eventually this is going to disappear. And on the lower right-hand side, it is going to say upgrade agent. Upgrade task is in progress. Eventually that disappears. And on the middle of the screen, you're going to see a couple of things. One in progress and then task details. We're going to click on task details. And you're going to get this nice little window, which is pretty awesome. Status is in progress. If something happens, in the error section is going to provide an error, and then you're able to troubleshoot. As soon as you close this, the in progress or one in progress is going to change to one done, which is great. You are able to click on task details again, and then look at, if something failed, it will give you the error message here, and then you're able to troubleshoot. We're going to close this up. Now, you don't have to do one by one. On the column where it says ID, right next to ID on the left-hand side, let's click on the checkbox, and it's going to select all of your computers. Now, I unselected my KMA server because I already upgraded that. On the middle section of the web page, if you click on more, there goes the option, upgrade agents, and whatever number you selected. As soon as you click on that, follow the prompt, and then you are able to upgrade all the servers within your infrastructure. You're able to upgrade the agent in one shot. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.